We are going to attempt to fix this. Yeah, I'll try and go about here.
So we are trying to get a few more years on this fence before replacing it.
You want some gloves?
Yeah, I'll throw my gloves on after.
And I didn't.
It's just, 20 years of rotting, right?
Yeah.
I do recommend always protecting your eyes and your hands.
Just the one side, I think. I don't think we have to do all of it. It's just to show a basic idea of what we're doing.
And it ended up being a much larger job
Yeah,
than we first thought it would be. I will have a full list of all the tools used in the description.
And the whole panel is rotting, and this isn't bad, so I'm not going to try and replace that. What I might do is I might double the 1x2 one on the inside and the outside on this guy. Yeah, I might have to replace this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have, these things are a little costly.
Oh, are they?
The 8-foot long ones are about $5.
Oh, wow.
And we're not replacing that inside part. It's just this one bit. And then we'll measure, and then I'll put the other one in there. And yes, I've had my tetanus shot. Yeah, let's get rid of these staples. Yeah, I might have to get these off on the other side. So I'll just hammer these nails in.
We bought a new compound miter saw.
Nice.
Yeah, so this will go from this side of her place down.
Okay.
And so this one will be 21 inches. And we just want it flat. And so if you unlock this,
Tell us about the saw.
well, it's a great deal. It's something we're going to use all the time. We just bought it brand new in the box. It ideally should have a workbench, but it's working. So,
$200 for this nice saw.
yeah,
Good deal.
and we'll get everything else eventually. So, all right. So this one will go on this trajectory. This will be the side facing out to her, not facing out to her. So the neighbor's going to get the better view of us. Find your little angle. See where your blade's going to sit. There. All right.
A lot easier than that old hand saw, hey?
Yeah, there's no point trying it with that. One thing you want to make sure with the brad nailer when you change out the nails, which I went from small to larger, is you want to pump out what was remaining inside, because there's always one. So I do a couple into a scrap, and now I know that it's the longer nail that's in there. And we're going to fix it to the post. We're not going to worry about attaching this yet, because we're going to do the other side as well, and then we'll worry about that. So I will have to angle it up here.
And that's enough to hold it into the thing.
Yeah,
just for
that'll
now?
be enough for now. Good job.
2?
Yeah. We can secure it more after, even if we need like an L bracket.
This panel was the worst of them all. And of course, we're working in the rain.
So with this one, you can attach to the fence as well. Maybe if I go on the other side,
Yeah.
and I will give you some opposing force.
Yeah.
If you could do a nail and a nail just to hold this part,
Okay.
and then we can do the same on the
Okay.
other. Are you okay with that?
Yep. Yeah, I can try that.
This helped to secure the panel so we could continue.
That works.
So now we'll put that piece in.
Okay. Attach it up here.
Yeah, like we did the other one.
Okay.
Just quite yet. Okay, so we'll put
And
the
now I'm
spacer
using
in
a
here,
spacer.
just like that. So just go down and down and hold it. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's solid for now. A little under 20.
Okay, what can I do?
You can start maybe put in the middle in the
Okay.
same manner, but you're gonna probably have to go over because of the nail, so
Okay.
it's gonna be slightly skewed away
So
from.
take the old one out?
We'll put this in first to
Oh.
hold it,
Oh, okay.
and then take the old one out.
Okay.
But gently tease it, and know that with the paint, they kind of attach itself together.
Yeah. Right.
That measurement was a little under 20, right?
You said a little under 20, yeah.
It's not woven in.
Yeah.
There. Okay, let me do that part. Oh, you're gonna need me on the other side. And we're gonna do these top pieces before we do anything else. And you have to watch for twists in the post because last time I did this, I had to really go back and forth, back and forth. It looks like 8 feet on point. So I'll go slightly under 8 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. Try it on her side now.
That's fine.
What'd you do?
Wow, that one traveled.
That's okay.
Okay, yeah, there we go.
I used the smallest brad nails that I could find to hold this privacy weave.
Right here.
Are we missing one? It looks like we're missing one.
No, they're all just shoved down to the bottom.
Okay.
That's why I need to make these adjustments. And that's why I pushed this down so I knew where I was starting. And that's why I'm starting in the middle.
It did look like we were missing a piece because of the way they were collected to the bottom. And we wanted some extra hold on this side of the panel, so it wouldn't.
Yeah, that's great.
All in all, the whole project on this side of the fence cost us less than $100. And we should get a lot more years of use before having to totally replace this whole entire fence. Thanks for watching.